Hi guys, VST here, VST Tech. Incredible video for you guys today. Came across something last week, something in regards to using S21, latest Android, and trying to optimize battery life. But yeah, you know, sometimes I'm a bit skeptical about those tips. Probably will understand. Yeah, I do test a lot of things and not really all of them work. But my friend from System Hack, Ross, tested it and he is getting almost like 1 hour more screen on time. And this is a very simple fix that was first shown on Reddit last week, right? And this apparently makes a huge differences on S21 devices. Okay, so guys, first you need to enter the developer mode on your S21, which I'm going to show you, and then you need to go find this function called Suspend execution for cached apps and just enable it. And that's pretty much it. Yeah, thanks very much for watching this video. And okay, yeah, bit more detail. There is a guide called S40s, and this gives a bit more meat to the bone based on source code commands. What is this function doing? Freeze apps when cached and unfreeze them once removed from the cache or killed. Frozen applications will not use any CPU cycles, reducing the power consumption for misbehaving processes which might attempt to run while cached. So this has been a feature, guys, implemented by Google from Android 11, but mainly used on Google phones, right? Samsung now one of the first phones that are not Google phones and not running stock Android to really have it. A lot of people out there using Android 12 like on Xiaomi and OnePlus don't have these features, so right now it's just Google and Samsung, right? So this guy tested this and his observation so far: receiving notification from applications not affected, which means you'll still get your notifications. The Spotify background music was working, not affected. Device speed was not affected, and he had glitch with using the Gboard. But the main point is that although still testing, he's saying that so far he's not having any major issues and his battery drain is much reduced. And I saw this last week. Like I told you guys, I'm always trying to be a bit more skeptical, just trying to give you some real stuff here on the channel. But yeah, Ross tested it and he just told me that it really works. So guys, let's do this on our phones. So first things first, we need to enable the developer options. How does this work? Go inside your settings, go to About Phone, then go to Software Information, find your build number and start tapping like crazy. Okay, I right now have them, but you need to type 7, 8 or 9 times until you get something like this. Developer mode now has been set to on. Now, how do we access the developer mode? It's very easy, guys. Once you're back in your settings, scroll down, Developer Options. And now where is this function? Very easy hack for you to access it. Just scroll down, up to the bottom, then start scrolling up until you see something called Reset Notification Importance. Then guys, you're gonna see this one here, and this is the beauty of it: Suspend execution for cached applications. Alright, the default option is default for this phone, right? Which I don't know what it is because we have enabled or disabled, and then we have default. I mean, somebody please explain, that's weird. But what we need to do right now, guys, we need to click on the enabled, and your device must now be rebooted for this change to apply. Okay, so now I'm gonna reboot my device. We're gonna enter again into the developer options and just see if this option will stick. But guys, people are really seeing some major improvements, and over the course of the next days, I'm going to give also my 100% full opinion on this one. Right now we know that you can get up to 1 hour more screen on time. I think this is amazing. So if you're here, by the way, for the first time and you like videos like this, don't hesitate to subscribe for the channel. I do a lot of fun videos like this, but also review on my Pixel 6, on other devices that I do test. I'm also a big fan of mobile photography, so you can also check one of my Gcam reviews that I did in the past and etc. And I'm gonna be pretty happy if you just stay around. Thank you. Let's continue now. Alright, just rebooted my phone. First thing I'm gonna do, of course, just wait it a bit. I have a feeling that the reboot was a bit slower. Maybe really some things are happening, so I'm not gonna wait too much. I'm gonna go inside the settings, scroll down, developer options, alright, then just go at the bottom of it, then just go back, see reset notification, and see here, guys, Suspend execution for cached applications. Now set to enabled. Please enjoy your enhanced battery life. By the way, you should be running OneUi 4, which you know is already Android 12, since this is not implemented yet for the older versions of OneUi 3, which is running on Android 11. If you do use an S21, S21 Plus or Ultra and you use this option, guys, just please let me know what your feedback is. Guys, Thanks for stopping by. Please, you and your family stay safe until we meet in one of my next videos. With that said, vi sti over and bye.